Oh, okay, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Art Venture. Hey, how are you guys? Okay, so for today, we will now be on our lesson 4. Okay, but before we go to our lesson 4, let's have your assignments first, okay? So, teacher's assignment is to select an object from within your house and create a 3D drawing of it, okay? So, let's see here what are your assignments, okay? So, first, let's see at the Skylar Onya's assignment. Is that the Skylar here?
Bro,
At the Skylar.
I don't hear her.
This is my assignment.
Okay, so what's your assignment, ate?
It's alive.
First, can I go first? Let me go first. Let me go first.
Remember, recording.
Can I go first?
Okay, thank you so much for that, Ate Skylar. Okay, so once again, everybody, so when someone is talking, when a classmate of yours is talking, so kindly please don't open your microphones, okay? Kasi your classmate is talking pa man. You'll have your turn, okay? Diba on your assignment? Teacher's gonna call you according sa sinong nag-send sa group chat natin. Okay? So, kung sino yung tinawag ni teacher, yun muna yung mag-present, okay? Let's be respectful with each other, okay? Okay. So, next we have Ate Skylar's Kuya Caleb.
It's a vase.
Okay, thank you for that, Kuya Caleb. It is a vase. Very good. Okay, very good, Kuya Caleb and Ate Skylar. Okay, so next naman, we have, so again, guys, if you're sending your assignments in our group chat, so kindly put your names in there, okay? Okay, next we have Ariane Villasin. Is Ate Ariane here?
Yes po, wait lang po.
Oh, okay, sure. Ate Ariane yung kanyang assignment.
Wait lang po, Chair, ha? Nahanap ko pa po.
Okay. Nakita mo na ba, Ate Ariane?
Hindi pa po. Nahanap ko pa po.
Okay, can I call another student muna?
Yes po, sige po.
Okay. So, let's go to Ate Brielle. Ate Jace Brielle. Okay, Kuya Cypher, kindly stop spamming the emojis, Kuya Cypher. Thank you. Ate Jace Brielle. Is Ate Jace Brielle here? Okay. So, what about, okay, Ate Ariane, when you found your assignment already, kindly type in the chat box na lang so I can go back to you, okay?
Sige po.
Okay. So next we have Ate Caitlin.
Okay din.
Is Ate Caitlin here? Caitlin Makapinlak.
Me po.
Okay. So where's your assignment, Ate?
I draw a cup.
You draw a cup. Okay, very good. So what are the shading techniques you've added in your cup?
Blending po.
Okay, blending. Very good. Thank you, Ate. Okay. So next we have Ate Margie. Ate Margie Daniela.
So this is my vase. I use the shading techniques that you taught me in, drawing the apple.
Okay, very good, Ate Daniela. Very good. Okay, next we have Ate Elise.
This is my drawing. The technique I use is blending. It's my toy, and I have nothing to say about it.
Okay, very good. It's okay. It's okay, Ate Elise. Very good. Okay, so next we have Kuya Jace Torres.
Draw coffee mug.
Wow,
I draw coffee.
that's a really big coffee mug, Kuya Jace. So what's the shading technique you've applied in that, Kuya Jace?
It's black.
The black. What about the shading technique, diba? We have the hatching, cross hatching, the blending.
I have the cross hatching and the blending.
Okay, the cross hatching and blending. Very good, Kuya Jace. Okay, thank you for that, Kuya Jace. That's a really good drawing. So next we have Kuya Ramsey Gray. Is Kuya Ramsey here?
Oh, I forgot this.
Kuya Ramsey Gray. Okay, so Kuya Ramsey is probably not in here. Okay, so what about Ate Precious Jorvie? Ate Precious Jorvie.
I draw a cup.
Okay, so what's the shading technique in that, Ate?
I use blending.
Okay, very good, Ate. Okay. Okay, so next we have Ate Caitlin. Oh, tapos na si Ate Caitlin kanina pala. Okay. How about Ate Sabrina? Ate Sabrina Andrea.
I draw an apple.
Okay, very good. Is that? But in your assignment here, you said a candle. Did you draw two?
I draw two.
Okay. So what shading techniques did you apply in your two drawings?
Shading.
Okay, what shading technique is it? Hatching? Is it blending? Is it cross-hatching?
Hatching.
Okay, hatching. Very good. Okay, very good, Ate Zab. Okay, so what? Okay. Thank you very much, Ate. You may also send your apple drawing in our group chat, okay? Okay. So what about Ate Iram and Ate Sophia?
Where's me? I did a little trash can that I found in my house. The technique I used is blending.
I use a ball and I use blending.
Okay, very good, Ate Iram and Ate Sophia. Okay, what about Ate Ariane? Did you find your assignment now? Nakita mo na ba?
Sure, nawala na po. Nagawa ko lang ng bago po para po,
Okay.
nagawa ko na. Nawala na
Okay.
po.
Okay, it's okay. Okay,
So,
okay, pakita mo yung new artwork mo, ate.
yung ginawa ko po ay books kasi mahilig po ako magbasa po at yung paborito kong book ay Secret Garden. So, yung type ng shading ko ay blending. Nagawa ko na ng details na konti. So, that's all po.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Ariane. Okay, that's a really fast drawing of yours. Okay, so, si CJ naman.
Sure.
Yes, Ate Ariane.
Okay lang po, isend ko na lang ulit po yung homework ko na lang po.
Yes, sure you can. Sure you can.
Sige, thank you po.
Okay. So, CJ, so it's okay. But do you have your art materials with you? Kung saan ka ngayon? Okay, don't mind your assignment na lang. Okay. Okay. So, Ate Hannelith, do you have an assignment, Ate Hannelith? Okay, where's your assignment? So, when you have your assignment, you send it to the group chat, okay? Para matawag ni teacher during presentation, okay? Okay, so kindly present your assignment.
Okay, so I made a box because we have so much box in our house. And the technique I made from shading is blending.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Hannelith. Okay, so
Welcome, Chair.
Okay. What about Kuya Zypher? Do you have an assignment, Kuya Zypher?
I'm not yet done. Send na lang sa GC.
Okay, Kuya. Okay. So
By
for
the way, I have a pet, hamsters.
Okay, that's nice. Okay. So for now, we will be making the 5 senses. We will be capturing the 5 senses. Okay? So what are the 5 senses? So kindly type in sa chat box your answers. Okay? So what's the sense of the eyes? What do we use the eyes for? For sight or for seeing. Very good. What about the nose? What for smelling? Okay, very good. What about the hands or the skin? To touch. Very good. What about the ears? To touch or to feel. Very good. So, the ears naman is for hearing or to hear. What about our tongue? What do we use our tongue for? For tasting or to taste. Very good. Okay. So, here we have a simple version created with basic shapes and a detailed version including a lot of details, including colors. So for today, we will be making the simple versions only, okay? Okay, so we will now have a step-by-step drawing of this one, okay? So kindly get your papers and your pencil, your eraser, and your smudging tool, okay? The teacher will join from her other device. So teacher can show you how to do it, okay? Okay, so can you see teacher's other account now? Okay, wait lang. Ipipin lang the teacher, ha? The one with the paper. And, okay. So if you know how to draw it, yes, you may do it. Okay, so nagsalita pala si teacher kanina pero hindi naka-on ang mic. Okay. Can you see teacher's paper now? The one with the pencil? Okay, very good. So now let's draw the eyes first, okay? Okay, so for the eyes, we will be making, wait, gawa tayo ng square. And then, 2 triangles on each side. Okay, so after that, we're gonna erase it because that will just serve as our guidelines, okay? Guidelines lang natin yan. And then, we will now make the curve of the eye. Okay, now we have that. Okay, so for the next step, we will be making the circle of the eye. So the circle of the eyes, it does not have to be in the center, okay? It has to be on the upper part. Okay, dito siya banda. So you follow along teacher, okay? And then we're also gonna add another oblong and a circle inside our eye. So we're gonna put the iris inside our cornea. Okay? And then we will also add the eyebrows. Okay, so the eyebrows is a bit upper to the eyes and is a bit curvy. Okay? Okay, sabi sa kabin. Okay, let's make an eyebrow. Okay, mamaya na natin i-fill yung eyebrow, okay? Okay, so teacher will give you 1 more minute for this one. Okay, wala muna shading ha. Wala muna shading. Okay, so mag-follow lang kay teacher. So yung insides of the eye and then the shape of the brows muna, okay? Can we move to the next step now? Okay, so for the next step, we're gonna add the eyelids and yung parang eye bags natin. Okay? We're gonna add that now. Okay. And we're now also gonna define our eyes. We can now add shading to it, okay? Let's now define the lines here. So if you have mistakes, you can just erase them, okay? So for shading, you may use your hands or your smudging tool, okay? For blending. So teacher's using her blending tool here. Okay, so teacher will give you 2 more minutes. So, shading pa lang muna tayo sa eyes, okay? Wala pa sa eyebrows. Okay, let's now proceed to our last step. Okay, so for our last step, we will be adding the eyebrows and the eyelashes. Okay, and now that is our simple basic eye drawing. Okay, so teacher will give you 3 more minutes to finish this first. Teacher said you have 3 more minutes to continue it. Okay, you have 3 more minutes to finish it. Yes, Kuya Zypher, do you have a question?
What's your question?
It's kind of hard. It's not kind of nice yet, but I made it to go to the final step.
Okay, very good. Okay, so teacher will give you until 1:47 to finish it. Okay? It's okay, CJ. It's okay. So you did have, you draw some droopy eyes. That's fine. Okay, 1 more minute to finalize your eyes. Okay? After that, we'll move on to the next body part. It's okay, it's fine. Okay, let's now move on to the next body part, okay? Let's now go on to the nose, okay? So the nose is just actually very simple. Yeah, it's okay, Ate Shortea. So teacher's nose, teacher's eye drawing is also used with blending, okay? Okay. So now, katabi lang ng inyong eyes. So we're now gonna do the nose, okay? So for the first steps, the nose. Okay, let's put 2 oblongs. Okay, wait lang. Kuya Cypher is raising his hand. Okay, Kuya Cypher, do you have a question?
Tagal na, tapos hindi marunong din ako magbuhat ng nose. It's hard. Super hard for
Oh,
me.
teacher is also showing, nakikita mo ba yung drawing ni teacher?
Gawin teacher.
Yes, but it's still hard.
I cannot see.
Okay,
I'm pagod.
okay, so mag-follow lang kay teacher. Okay, we're gonna do it step by step, okay? Okay, if you cannot see teacher's other camera, so I'm pin ni teacher, tas ipipin na naman uli ni teacher, okay? Tapos, wait lang. Okay. So, how about now? Nakikita na ba? So, your other classmates can see teachers' other drawing. Okay? So, if you still can't see it, so, try logging in, logging off and then logging in again to our Google Meet. Okay? Okay, so now for the nose. So, first, let's make 2 oblongs here. Okay, we'll just make it 2 small oblongs. Just 2 small oblongs here. Okay, 2 small oblongs with each other and then align. Okay, and then we're gonna erase them again because those are just our guidelines. Okay, and then we're now gonna add a curve. So, sa kilid ng nose. And then another curve. Okay, and then the bridge of the nose. Okay, and then we're gonna put some, the holes of the nose. We're gonna put here and in here. Okay, so it should look something like this one. Yeah, the nose frill. Okay? Yes? Yes, Kuya Zypher?
Like what? I can't see it because your camera is closed.
Teacher has another camera, yung sa drawing na camera ni teacher. Nakapin siya. Ito, oh. Kita mo ba? Okay, teacher's gonna send a screenshot sa group chat natin, ha? And then, yung nakapin, okay, mag-screenshot muna si teacher ng quickly lang. Wait lang, and then teacher's gonna send it to the group chat. So, may isang camera si teacher na nakapin. Okay? Tapos, andyan sa isang camera ni teacher. So, kindly look in our group chat. So, andun yung drawing ni teacher. Merong sa eyes and the start of the nose. And then there's a pencil and an eraser. Okay? So, some of your classmates can see it. Okay? So, if hindi nyo si teacher nakikita, so look at the GC. If hindi nyo nakikita yung camera na second ni teacher, kindly manually pin it in your device. Okay? So, usually sa mga desktop and sa mga laptops, makikita siya. But some tablets, hindi nakikita. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to people or to show everyone, and then click the 3 dots button in my name, yung account, and then pin to the screen for myself. Okay, that's what you're gonna do.
Tell them which I'm going to pick.
Okay, so let's now continue to the nose. Okay, so let's now proceed to the next step. Okay, so the next step is to, okay, we're gonna add the shadings. Okay, but we're not gonna color it, okay? We're not gonna color them. Okay, we're just gonna add, so let's add the shading to the nostrils first, okay? So, let's put a black one. So, iba-black natin yung holes ng nose. Okay, and let's also put another curve here. Okay, another curve for the nose. Okay. Okay, so teacher has a bit of a miscalculation dito. So, a teacher's just gonna erase it, and then we can proceed and go back to our nose drawing. Okay, so now they also have here parang L na baliktad, okay? So, let's now identify the shadings. So, yung shadows is dito banda. So, let's try to add some hatching here. Okay? And then we also have sa baba ng nose. Let's also add some hatching there. And also a bit here. And then, the whole nose din, lagyan natin ng kaunting hatching sila. And then, of course, we're gonna use our smudging tool or our hands to blend them out. Okay, if di po nakikita, kindly manually pin the account. So, manually pin in your device po. Wait lang po ha, mag-reply lang ako sa GC. Okay, teacher is typing in our group chat muna, okay? Wait lang. Okay, so teacher already gave the instruction in our group chat, okay? So now let's go back to our shading here sa nose, okay? So as you can see, the nose is one of those, the simplest. So akala natin mahirap magawa ng nose. Pero ano pala, it's just so easy, okay? So your classmates are also helping you here. Very good, guys. Okay? So now, yung highlight natin is in the center of the nose. So for the highlight, kindly erase that part na lang, okay? Okay. Okay, so teacher will give you 3 minutes to finish this, the nose part, okay? Yes, Kuya Zypher?
I can't see it even though it's thin.
Make sure nothing else is pinned.
Okay, what are you using pala? Can you send a screenshot? Okay, what are you using pala? Can you send a screenshot to our group chat? Okay, there are 3 users under teacher's name, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna take a screenshot, another screenshot, okay? Okay. The one on the presentation, yan yung nagpapakita ng no step by step. And then the one on the meeting host, yun yung ito, yung camera is a face ni teacher, hindi din yan. There's another account pa na yung meeting host pa din. So, yung nakalagay doon is yung camera ni teacher for the drawing. Okay?
I can see it now. Okay po.
Okay, very good. Let's now proceed on to our next drawing. Okay?
I forgot something. Say for out.
Okay. So, for the next one, okay, mag-break time muna tayo for 13 minutes. Okay? Let's come back here by 2:15 p.m. Okay? Masakag, ikaw na lang ang salita. Makahan po, langod ko. Ano na ito pa po. Sakit na lang langod. Okay. Okay, it is now 2:15 p.m. So let's now go back to our class, okay? Okay, so now it's time to do the ears, okay? For the ears, so you can actually skip that. Okay, so let's make an oblong first here, okay? And then another tip is you can actually make sides to the oblong, okay? You can make this one. Okay? Something like that. Okay? And then after that, we're gonna erase them a little bit. And then follow up with a much more finer line. Okay? Okay, now we have the shape of our ears. Okay, 1 more minute for that. Okay, after having that shape, let's now move on to the second step. So the second step is to add this curved line. So the first curved line we have something like this part. So the red curved line. Okay? And then next to the red curved line is the yellow-green curved line. So the yellow-green curved line is something in here. And then we also have another line in here and another one here. Okay? So these are our lines. Okay? Parang they're like the canals of our ears. Okay. So now for the shading, we have a lot of shading going on under here. Okay, we have a lot of shading here. Okay, and also here, sa may taas. Okay, and also here. So it has parang ganyan na shape. And then we're gonna have the shading. Okay, and then we have here yung parang darkest part ng ating ears. Okay, and then another shading. Okay, and then a bit of an outer shading here. Okay, so now all that's left to do is to blend them. Okay, you can use your hand or you can also use your blending tool. Okay. So that's just so easy, right? Okay, let's add some more details here and define the curves of the ears. Okay? Yes, Kuya Zypher? Kuya Zypher? Do you have a question, Kuya?
It's not kind of hard, pero it's a little hard. It's kind of a little hard, pero it's easy.
Yeah, it's easy. Okay, teacher's gonna give you 2 more minutes to finish that. Yes? Okay, we have some. Okay, yes, Gabrielle? Yes, Ate Gab? Ate Gab, I can't hear you, Ate Gab. I can only hear a static background.
Teacher. Why can I use my mic now?
Okay, isa-isa lang.
Why can I use my mic now? I don't even read it.
Okay, what about Ate Elise? What's your question, Ate Elise?
I'm done.
Okay. So, 'di ba, pag done, mag-chat lang dito sa chat box ng done or mag-react lang ng heart, okay? Okay, let's now move on to our next body part. Okay, what do you think are we gonna draw next? Okay, what do you think? You may type it here in our messages. Ano pa yung dalawang hindi natin nagagawa? Okay, we have the hands. And what else? So we also have the mouth. Very good. So before we draw the hands, we're gonna draw the mouth first, okay? So what you're gonna do, let's skip this part here. That's not what you're gonna draw first. So the first thing you do is a cross, okay? You make a cross, okay? So let's follow teacher's guidelines here, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is make a cross. Okay, so let's make a cross here first. Okay, and then after the cross, we're gonna do that. Lips on it's like a V something, okay? Let's make a V in here. Saan pangita? Okay. Bakit ko din? Bakit pang din? Under dito sa ako ah. Nabutang sa ako ah. Yan. Okay, so after the cross, the V, we're also gonna extend it here. Okay, so the cross will be our guideline para maging center lang yung drawing natin. Okay? Okay. So now, dito naman sa baba. Okay? Let's add here parang a small horizontal line. And then, we're gonna connect it to the ends of both sides. Okay. So now they are all pantay. Okay? So let's go on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is, so for us to add inner curves, okay? We can now add some inner curves here. Okay, and then, also gonna add some lips in here sa baba din. Okay? Okay, and then we're gonna add, so that's the lips part, right? Okay. So, pwede na nating i-erase itong lumapa sa lips. Okay? So, pero wag mo muna nating i-erase yung lips inside the mouth. Okay? Because we can still use them for the teeth. Okay? So, we're also gonna put another curved line for the teeth. Okay? Ito yung lalagyan ng ating teeth dito sa itaas. Hindi siya if it's not pantay or you've made a mistake, just erase it, okay? Okay, and then we're also gonna add, so pwede na natin ngayong erasein ang ating cross. And we're also gonna add sa baba. Okay? Okay, and then next, now we're gonna add some teeth. So on the upper part, we have here 4 teeth. 4 on each side, so that will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? The farther it gets from the center, the smaller it becomes. Okay? So yung pinakamalalaking teeth nasa center. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now we have 8 teeth on the upper part. Okay, so, and on the lower part, we're gonna have 10. So that will be 5 teeth on each side. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other one naman, the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now we're gonna add the tongue. Okay. So teacher's tongue is a bit not pantay. So gawin ipantay natin. Okay. Okay. So that's now our Kuya Cypher, stop spamming with the emojis, okay? Oh, you have a question. Okay, what is it, Kuya Cypher?
I'm already done.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's just wait for your other classmates, okay?
Okay.
Yes, Ate Elise?
I finished too.
Okay, very good. So, once you're finished, mag-react lang kayo, okay? So, ask lang kay teacher if you have a question, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so after with this step, now we're gonna proceed to shading, okay? We're not gonna color the lips, okay? We're just gonna do some shading on them, okay? So you look at teacher's drawing and how teacher shades the teeth, okay? So we're gonna put black on the gums and on the insides of the mouth. No coloring, okay? We're not gonna color them. We're just gonna add shadings to them, okay? Okay, we're also gonna add some shadings to the tongue, but it's just gonna, it will not be as dark as the mouth background. And also for the lips, we're gonna add a bit shading to the lips, okay? But not as dark as the insides of the mouth, okay? Teacher's gonna use your smudging tool to smudge the shading to diffuse the colors. Okay, and now that is our tongue drawing. Okay, the teacher is gonna give you 2 minutes to finish that. Okay, and then what's the last one that we're gonna make? What's the only thing we haven't yet drawn? The hands. Very good. Okay, we're gonna be drawing the hands now, okay? So for our last part of the body, we will be drawing the hands, okay? But for this hands, we're gonna be using a cartoonish hands lang, okay? Okay, Kuya Zypher, what is it?
Ayaw ko lang, tired na ako. Dami-dami yun.
Sorry, Kuya. Okay, so if tired ka na, so you may opt not to do them now, okay? Okay, what about Ate Elise? Do you have a question, Ate Elise?
I forgot to close my question hand.
Okay. Okay, so let's now proceed on to drawing the hands, okay? So first, we're gonna make a circle. Okay, so again, you just follow along teacher, okay? Okay, so let's make a circle in here. Just a small one, not a really big one. Okay, and then below the circle, we're gonna put a square. Okay, the square is angled. Okay, so para siyang ping pong na racket if you look at it right now. Yes, Kuya Zypher?
I changed my mind. I want to do it now because my tata said it's just handa lang.
Okay, very good. It's just handa lang. This will be our last activity na lang, okay? Okay, so that's just very easy, right? So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some long oblongs. So those will be, so what we're gonna do, teachers, we're gonna take a picture, okay? We're gonna take a picture first, and then teacher's gonna give you an assignment, okay? So first, let's add this long oblong, okay? So we're just gonna be making a simple cartoonish hand, okay? So 4 long oblong. Okay. And then we're also gonna add the thumb. So the thumb is a bit shaped in a way that it will look like a thumb. It's not really just an oblong. Okay, it's already shaped like a thumb. Okay? So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 oblongs and a thumb. So that's overall 5. How many fingers do we have in our hands ba? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 oblongs and our thumb. So that equates to 5. Very good. Okay. So let's now go on to, so the next step, so we're gonna erase the overlapping lines. Okay? We're gonna erase the overlapping lines of the square, the circle, and the oblongs. Okay? Okay, we're gonna clean them all up. Okay, so let's now add more detail to the thumb. Okay. Let's now define this one. Okay, and then let's add a bit of a detail to our thumb, and there we have it. Now we have our simple drawing of the hand. Okay, so teacher's gonna give you 3 more minutes to finish your hand drawing. Okay, Ate Zach. Okay, Ate Zach. Do you have a question, Ate Zach?
Teacher, there's spamming.
Okay, sino man nagsispam? Okay, wala man nagsispam here. Okay, so ika-isa lang mag-message siya. Okay, spamming is when they send messages that are repeating or they click an emoji about 5 times na, okay? So, wala man nag-spam dito sa messages, ate. Okay? It's alright if they say, if you chat when you're done and you chat here, I'm done, teacher. That's alright.
I just chat I'm done.
Okay, very good, Kuya Zypher. Okay, what about?
Here comes the pro. Super Idol Deja Vu.
Okay, what about Kuya Dylan? Do you have a question, Kuya Dylan?
Is it almost done?
What?
Is it almost done?
Yeah, it's almost done now. Okay? Are you tired? We made 5 drawings today. That's a lot, you guys. Okay, but still, everybody did a great job. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, so let's now take a picture. Okay, everybody? Kindly put your drawings to the camera. Okay, not yet done pa daw si Ate Skylar. Okay, hintayin na lang muna natin. 2 more minutes, Ate Skylar, okay? After the 2 minutes, we'll take a picture now, okay? So everybody, put your names in your drawing. Put your names muna. Yes, Kuya Dylan?
I just drew the hands at the back because I got no more space on the other side.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Hintayin lang muna natin si Ate Skylar. Okay, there's still 2 more minutes.
After that, can you take the picture and put it on the back? Because I didn't finish it.
Guys, when this is
Yeah,
done,
you
I'm gonna say
can,
bye to you guys.
Because right here.
yeah, you can send it to the group chat na lang later, Kuya Dylan, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 1 more minute. Wow, teacher can see your drawings. Very good, everybody. Okay, the eyes is so big. It's so wide open. Okay, the hands is good. The mouth is nice as well. Okay, some even added some nails on the hands. Very good, everyone. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, it's now 2:45. Everybody kindly open your camera. And teacher's now gonna take a picture, okay? Everybody show your drawings. Ate Gab, kindly turn on your camera. Okay. Show your drawing, ate. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, very good. Those are really great drawings, you guys. Okay, so did you enjoy your activities today? Did you like it? Okay, we drew a lot, didn't we? And some of you even said it's hard, but then it turned out that it's not actually hard. Okay? So for your assignment, so you imagine or you think of a face, or you may draw your mom or your dad or your sibling, and then you apply our drawings, okay? The drawing of the eye, the nose, the mouth. Okay, you apply them, okay? Okay, so here we have some questions pa. Yes, Ate Elise?
Can you say bye-bye to my dog?
Okay, bye-bye.
How
Okay,
do we
what ab-
take off backgrounds?
Okay, you take off background, ate, by clicking the, clicking yourself, di ba? Meron yung visual effects. What are you using ba? Are you using a laptop?
Yeah, Daddy keeps on putting background so you won't see him.
Okay, so,
I'm using laptop.
okay, hover your mouse to yourself, to your picture.
Okay.
And can
Bye-bye
you
to
see?
you, guys.
Okay, everybody, just wait a minute. Teacher is talking to your classmate, Ate Dan, okay?
I'm
Okay,
using a
Ate.
laptop. Just click on me.
Okay, Ate, hover on yourself, and then do you see those 3 diamonds? Hover on your picture. Okay.
Thank
Gonna
you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, yes, Kuya Zyper.
To-turn off ko na yung screen ko because mag-gaming na ako. Okay?
Okay.
Bye!
Bye. That would be all. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.